Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, ChatGPT memory is full. You can forget extending memories to make space. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, long tap ChatGPT app and tap on F4 button. Scroll down, tap on storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll up, tap on permission option and first to last all permission. First camera, allow back second location, allow back another microphone, allow back and notifications, turn on notifications, back and photos and videos, allow all. Okay, allow complete, go back and go to your Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search ChatGPT update and tap ChatGPT app and check update with ChatGPT. My ChatGPT app already updated to the latest version. Okay, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and now open your ChatGPT app and tap on true line option and scroll down, tap on profile icon and tap on personalization, scroll down, tap on memories and tap on manage memories and tap on delete, clear memory. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.